Electrical and electronic measuring instruments. In this video I will just explain the summary points of basics of resistance, Megger, potentiometer. Resistance. The property of a material which opposes the flow of current through it is known as resistance. It is measured in ohms. The bigger unit is kilo, ohms and mega, ohms. The resistances according to the measurement are classified. The resistances of about 1 ohm and lower values are known as low resistance. The resistances in between 1 ohm and 100 kilo ohms are known as medium resistances. The resistances of 100 kilo ohms and above are known as high resistances. Megger. A megger is an instrument used for the measurement of high resistance and insulation resistance in mega ohms. It works on the principle that, whenever a current-carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, a torque is produced on the conductor which tends to rotate it. The megger consists of a hand-driven DC generator and an ohm meter. The earth resistance can be measured by a special type of megger known as earth tester. Potentiometer. A potentiometer is an instrument used to measure an unknown EMF by comparing it with a known EMF. It is also used for calibrating and standardizing voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter. Thanks for watching, happy learning. Save the water. Sun Wheel Academy content is prepared by Chakra.